Guys, I'm going to let some raid. Let's go raid, guys. Where's that raid? I'm gonna raid. Sorry about that. But that's the raid. Let's go raid, bro. I have my hockey on. I have my waist. I got honorable card as well. From drop chance. From honorable card boss. Okay. Give me some. Wait. Too easy.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap, bro. So over. This card is so overpowered, bro. Bro, I like this, man. Man, I don't want. Now I do. I like this card. This is overpowered. This is true. Stop yapping about it. I'll just play. By the way, I'm Filipino. Let's kill this speedy cheese. He's level 1100. Oh, thank you more. Thank you more. Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Never back down, never what? Never give up. Never back down, never what? Never give up. Oh, nah. Super pop cut. I hate this man, right? Stop the cap, bro. Oh, nah. San Pedro. San Pedro.
Stop the cap.
By the way, I'm Filipino. So don't remind me. Stop yapping. Okay, I will stop yapping.
Stop the cap.
Few moments later.
Stop the cap.
That is a joke, bro. I can kill. Killer nugget. I'm gonna eat your nuggets because I love chicken nuggets. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How many long time ago? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Bacolado? Oh no. Oh no. There are too many. Never back down, never. What? Never keep. What? I'm anything, you know? Sorry about my pronounce, bro. Ben. Not the Ben. I should spread hates Ben because of Ben. No.
Stop the
Yeah.
cap.
That's why. I'm using my V2 Shark. My turn. Oh nah, Maxwell is too OP, bro. But never give up. Attack me, or you shall die. Boogs. And you give me na, I do win. Bro, Maxwell the cat is too OP, bro.
Stop the cap.
Let's run away, bruh. No run. Later, bop ka.
Stop the cap.
Combo. Combo. Please, I need you, pardon. Beg you. Oh no. I'm dead. Oh no. Please, B2, please help me. I need you.
Stop the cap.
Finally. I have 3 lives. Oh no. He have the reverse card. I'm gonna stop you. Oh no. He's Mimbis. But I'm max level, bro. I don't need that Mimbis. Nah, he's gonna stop card.
Stop the cap.
Haha. That's what you get. My turn. stop the cap, bro.
Stop the cap.
You're not bigger whistler than me, Sigma.
Stop
Come
the cap.
here, bruh. Come here. Tell me what you got. By the way, I can speak Tagalog if you want. If you don't, I know. Turn my hockey and turn my observation. And stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap, bro. Stop the cap. You're only 12 years old, bruh.
Cap.
You're 5. Huh, easy. Aw. I didn't have na ID. No! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh no. What? I need one more sword. It's gonna be dodge. Ben. I didn't get the na I do win accessory, bro. Let's kill the evil noob to get noob friend. He has 10% chance. By the way, I have portal sword. Portal teleport. Let's go to somewhere. Okay. I'm here in Noob Arena. And, okay. I'm this way. Oh, you're killing the Moai. Moai face. Where's the Moai boss? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Come here, boy. I'm gonna kill you. I mean, I'm gonna sleep you. Oh, you wanna reverse card me? I'm gonna reverse card you. Reverse. Nice. Let's Tito Josh. Okay. I'm gonna call him later. Bro, he spawn noob. He spawn noob, bro. He spawn noob orb. Oh, so you're gonna give me some Uno? I'm gonna give you some Uno reverse card. Bro. No noob head. Now, I have serious mode. Serious. Set mo nga si Tita Josh. Nah, man. Nah, I need that noob friend. Noob friend. More like noob head. Oh, nah, man. Oh, nah. This will take a good while. Take a while, huh? Good while. Good while. Oh, no. I'm gonna speed up. Pushing. Oh, my turn. Oh, I have a quest, by the way. To be honest, I'm gonna kill this one. Bruh. Now it's my turn. Bro, oh my god, no noob head. Oh no, this is gonna take a while, man. Please, bro, I need that. Oh no. They added next time, Luffy and Skibidi Toilet Kanto. Or Skibidi Toilet Lapa. Bro, please bro, can you help me? A sword? Yes, finally! Noobhead. Please, Noobhead, give me a chance. I love you. Ayo, that's kinda low pistols. By the way, let's kill the evil noob. Let's get my portal. Bro, can you please speed up? Overload. Now it's my turn. Huh. I'm gonna kill you, bruh. You can't kill me. Bruh. Oh no, Una. Help me, bro. Thank you. You're my savior. Bro, Bacon, please help. Please help. Oh, sorry, Joshua. Sorry, Joshua. No, but I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to kill you. Bro, this extent is hack, bruh. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. You're making a big mistake of me. It's okay, bro. I don't care. Yes, finally. Oh my god. That's all, guys. Bye. See you on part 2. Bye.